So in this video, we're going to show you how to set up a task list template. Here we are on the page. The way you get there is you go to Account and Task List Templates. And so showing are some already created ones. Let's go ahead and edit this one. Over here we see statuses. So these are statuses we set up on our status setting. And these are the processes through which your company operates. And then these are the tasks assigned to proposal, research, and prep. Research, deed, parcel map. And then this is the target status here. So once this task list is complete, the next status the project goes to is proposal review by a professional land surveyor. So the task type, let's go ahead and edit. We have checkboxes, documents, pictures, text field, and contact. So a checkbox is a task, a document is a required document to upload, picture is similar. Text field is forcing the user to enter data in a project details text field. And then contact is adding a specific contact to the project. And then down here is the description, which gives us more details on what the task is or anything else. And so with a document, this one is a deed. You can set up your document sources. So this is coming from the county. And then a document category. This goes into the deeds bucket. And then this optional button means that you can set this task to be optional and allow the end user to bypass it if it's not necessary. And then here we have an example of a text field. So we want to fill out is an appointment required for access to the property. And then again, more details here. And we make this one optional because if it's not needed, then we don't need to fill it out. And then let's go ahead and add a task that we need to know who needs to be contacted for access to the property. So I'm choosing contact. I'm choosing a role, so we can go over roles later. And again, we'll make this optional. So who needs to be contacted to access the project site? We'll go ahead and save it. And then let's go ahead and add a new task list. So the starting task is proposal approved by the PLS, and the target status is proposal sent. Now the target status does not need to be the next one in order. It could be any that you choose that you want to be the follow-on status. Now we'll go ahead and add a task. So now I've gone ahead and given it a name and a detailed description as to what needs to be done. And then we go ahead and add it. And save. Oops. So now we have 3 distinct task lists in here for 3 different statuses. Another note is there is a feature flag. And we want to go to company settings, and right here this feature flag allows us to force the template selection. So if you want to make all new projects and proposals have a task list, you select yes. If you want to give your employees and your teams options of adding a task list, then keep it at no. This also helps during setup and implementation of task lists. While you're working on the task list, you don't have to force your employees to use them. And that covers creating a task list template.